In a nation rocked by political unrest and economic turbulence, your retirement savings are in jeopardy. The unseen threats of inflation and market crashes loom large, making the future unpredictable. But there's something the IRS isn't telling you about gold IRAs that could change everything. Today we're uncovering 5 alarming facts about IRS gold IRA rules that every American over 55 must know. Your financial security could depend on it. The IRS allows certain types of gold in IRAs, but not all. Choosing the wrong one can be disastrous for your savings. While gold IRAs offer tax benefits, missing a single rule could lead to hefty penalties. Knowledge is your best defense. With the stock market's unpredictable swings, not diversifying with gold could mean watching your life savings vanish overnight. As the dollar's value plummets, not investing in gold could erode your purchasing power, leaving you vulnerable in retirement. Transferring your IRA to gold isn't straightforward. One wrong step and you could risk losing it all. But there is hope. Take control of your future today. Don't be a victim of these turbulent times. Embrace the security and stability of a gold IRA. Click the link in the bio now for vital information that could safeguard your retirement. Act now before it's too late.